Hi, my name is Zainab and I was once a law student just like you. Today I am going to talk you through our Legal Research Foundation certification on Lexis UK. Lexis is our intuitive platform giving you quick access to all the law you need. You can easily discover what the law says and what to do about it all in one place and get yourself ready for the working world. The Legal Research Foundation certification tests your ability to complete essential legal research on the Lexis platform. It's also a great way to demonstrate your competency in this area to future employers. This video will guide you through some of the key features you'll need to know as you prepare to take the certification. So how do you use the platform? Let's look at the homepage. You can switch between the different modules, legal research, practical guidance and premium news by using the toggle on the side. We're focusing on legal research in this video, but there is another video focusing on practical guidance you might want to watch too. Use the toggle on the top right to switch from light to dark mode. So how do you run searches? Lexis uses one powerful search to provide you with the best results. You can enter your search terms into the search bar and run a search across the entire database. Let's run a search for unfair dismissal. We've made it easy to scan through your search results and spot where your search term has the most results. Search term maps colour code your search term and visually show you where the word or phrase crops up in the list of results. The star indicates the location in the document that is likely to be most relevant to you. You can also ask a question and get an answer. If we return to the home page, I'll show you an example. When does 2p apply? The first result will be an answer card, which is the platform's way of answering a question right away. You can also search by specific sources or content types using the appropriate filters in the drop-down menu, or by using the Explore box options underneath the search bar. Let me show you an example with legislation. You can type the name of an act into the search bar and you'll see some suggestions as you type. If you already know the acronym like PACE, just select legislation from the drop-down menu beforehand. The first result is the act in its entirety. Let's click into that. On the right hand side you can see links into the related documents, including related cases, books and journals and Halsbury's annotations. On the left hand side you can see the table of contents, which you can use to navigate between sections of the Act. When you click into a section, you can find historical versions from any point in the past. You will also see the status of the legislation from the status symbol at the top left corner. It's like a traffic light, showing red, amber or green. Let's look at cases next. From the home page, you can run a search into the main search bar. Let's look for Carlisle and Carbolic Smoke Ball Company, as this is something you'll probably come across in your studies. The top default result will be the case overview. This is a great starting point for researching or understanding cases. The case overview includes the case summary, the case history, and links to other cases referring to that case. The symbol next to the case name indicates both the procedural history and the subsequent judicial consideration of a case. To see what each symbol means, click into the source information icon, which provides a key to explain all the different symbols. You can download cases as PDF or Word documents, which you might find helpful as you prepare for moots or other activities. Halsbury's Laws of England provides the only comprehensive narrative statement of the law of England and Wales, covering every proposition of English law. Its Scottish counterpart, the Stair Memorial Encyclopedia, is the only comprehensive and authoritative narrative statement of the law of Scotland. Think of them as legal encyclopedias, a great starting point for your legal research. You will always find Halsbury's and Stair in the Explore box under Content. You can run a quick search across both or one of the sources. Let's look for collateral warranties. Here you can then filter the results by Halsbury's or Stair depending on where you're studying. For a more in-depth overview on Halsbury's and Stair, take a look at our separate videos which outline how to search specifically within these sources. If you're looking for a book or a journal article, of course you can type the title into the search bar, but you can also browse the collection to see what's available. Go into the Content tab into the Explore box, select which content type you'd like to browse. We'll look at journals and here you'll see the full list of journals available. To recap, we have covered the key features you can use to navigate legal research when completing your foundation certification. Good luck!